live, and we have an announcement to make. An announcement that we have not wanted to make all this time, getting ready for the big launch, getting ready to release Sophia Homeschool. We didn't want to release a launch date. And the reason is because when you're putting all these pieces together, anything could go wrong. And we didn't want to build up expectation that we couldn't come through with. So here it is. Are you ready? Drum roll, please. We will be launching this coming Monday. We're going live and our product will be available. Now, what is our product? Sophia Homeschool. Sophia Homeschool is going to be an online classroom designed not to educate the students. There are plenty of homeschool programs out there for the students, and they're great, and we're not going to replicate them. But we are designed to educate the educators, you, the parents, because there are so many people out there right now who are asking, how do you homeschool? And they think that it's just a matter of buying a box curriculum and go. And there's too much frustration associated with that. There are too many people giving up. There are too many people at the end of their homeschool career with regrets and wishing that they had known what they didn't know. So my husband Christopher and I have put together a program that's going to begin at the very, very basics. Our first product, what we're launching on Monday, is going to be our Discovery workshop. And this is going to be our this one is designed for the brand new or prospective homeschooler. The parents who are going to really benefit from this will be the ones with toddlers who are thinking about homeschooling from the beginning, but it will also work if you're 1 or 2 years into homeschooling and you have a shaky foundation and you just want some focus on what are you doing. It would also be good if it's just your first year homeschooling in general. Eventually, we are going to bring in experts. We're going to do programs that will benefit every homeschooler, from the veteran homeschooler to the newbie. But this program is for the new homeschooler, the prospective homeschooler. And that's what is going live. That's what we've got. We've got a website, we've got a workbook, we've got a resource page, an incredible resource page. Our resource page is going to be designed so that it doesn't overwhelm you. Resources available right now. So many resources available for homeschoolers. But there's not a whole lot that offers direction. And the analogy that we use in this workshop is the hardware store. You know, if you go in to do home renovations and you just think the starting point is to go into the hardware store, well, there are a lot of products there and you're not exactly sure which ones you need, not unless you first evaluated your project, taking your measurements. So that's what the Discovery workshop is all about. It's about discovering your project. Homeschool. What are you trying to accomplish? What is your purpose? And who are these precious little children that you have to educate? How do they learn best? What do they need to know? All of that. We're going to cover so much. We're bringing in experts. We brought in an expert on childhood development, and we brought in an expert on special needs. And we're going to talk about community resources on how to put those in your toolbox and make the most out of them. So we can't wait. We're going to send out an email this week. We're going to let everybody know, everybody who's been asking, when are you going to release? When is your product going to be available? So we're sending out an email letting everybody know that here it is. It's going live. It's going live on Monday. If you want to be on that email list, just shoot me a note. You can add a message here on the chat, or you can private message me. You can send me an email to judith@sophiahomeschool.com. And stay tuned. I'm going to do another live broadcast in the next couple of days, possibly tomorrow, where I'm going to back up a little bit and give you our story. Why are we equipped to put together a workshop like this? What kind of experience do we have in homeschooling? I have 35 years of homeschool experience. 35 years of homeschool experience because I was homeschooled. And I'm going to go into that and let you know what it is that we're doing. Okay? Have a great day.